So what are peptides? Peptides are a bunch of short-chain fatty acids that build the foundation of protein in our body. And a peptide can range from 2 to 50 amino acids that are linked together by peptide bonds. And proteins are just longer chains of these amino acids that have all different shapes to create functions in our body. Science has found over 7,000 peptides in the human body, and so many are yet to be discovered. So what are some peptides that you might be familiar with and not even know that they're peptides? First up, insulin. Insulin is a peptide hormone that is incredibly important for every cell in your body. And without this peptide, or if the peptide isn't functioning properly, there's a lot that can go wrong. For example, if you are type 1 diabetic, you don't make insulin at all, meaning that this would need to be supplemented. And if you do make insulin, but let's say your cells are just insulin resistant for a number of metabolic reasons, you can now be diabetic. What about oxytocin? That is a neuropeptide that is also known as the love hormone. It is responsible for things like emotional connection and stress reduction, to just name a few. Another common peptide is your collagen peptides, and this peptide is derived from collagen proteins, which are abundant in connective tissue, skin, hair, nails, and joints. And of course, our most favorite peptide here at Rixa Health would be the GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide. This peptide is released in our intestines when we eat meals and plays a significant role in glucose regulation. This peptide acts on the brain to increase feeling of fullness and help regulate food intake. It can help with inflammation with many of your top leading metabolic issues like type 2 diabetes, sleep apnea, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, PCOS, etc. Now, why is this one of our favorites? It allows our patients to have that food noise being suppressed so they can really work on lifestyle interventions so they can have a sustainable journey to not only live their longest life, but have the best metabolic optimization possible.